представляет курс тренинг Россия. Тренинг Россия – это профессиональная помощь по отбору спортивных лошадей из Европы. Еще раз приветствуем Анна Гусейнова, 9-летний фризский жеребец.
Рысь, уезжай!
Move their body, and when you move your body, you're gonna move it nice and sweet and sassy, alright? When you go, and you don't need no makeup, but we did not do body makeup, when you go, and you don't need no makeup, but we did not do body makeup, physically fit, physically fit, physically fit, come on, physically fit, physically fit, physically fit, come on, nice, sweet, fantastic, put your body out to the big tight, and a woman and that's sweet, energetic, put your body out to the big tight, and a woman and that's sweet. Fantastic, put your body out to the big tight and a woman and that's sweet. Fantastic, put your body out to the big tight and a I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it, move it. When you cute and you don't need no makeup, original cute body makeup on mother when you cute and you don't need no makeup, original cute body makeup on eyeliner. When you visit the cover of nose powder, when you visit the cover of black eyebrow, when you visit the cover of red lipstick, when you visit the cover of when you like white face, when you like hip, red body, red body lip, woman they like that green again stick. Put your body out to the big tight and woman they like white face, and they like hip, red body, red body lip, woman they like that green again stick. Put your body out to the big tight and whoa. Okay then, while you're here I just want to tell you this story. It's not the story of this my daddy used to tell me, he was a keeper's friend. I was born probably about 68 years ago over by that trail over there, yeah. And I remember things changed a lot in those days in Madagascar. It wasn't so commercial, you know. It wasn't all about money and who got the latest tree and what leaves are you wearing and who got the latest fur in the back, you know. Those days it was just me and a couple of the others, you know, doing the jungle boogie, you know. Jungle boogie! Jungle boogie! You really think this is never gonna end? Because it is.
Я не фотографирую.
Да?
Я не фотографирую.
Фотографируй, говорит, пока.